Now we're going to create our own dichotomous key, and you're going to actually create it into your digital notebook. And I can give you the slide number here. That will be slide 18, where you are creating your paired statements here. And it doesn't have to be the same that's on this slide. It just has to make sense and be classifiable. So we have 5 fish here. And we want to find a way to kind of classify them out, identify them, and create our own dichotomous key. So the most striking thing that I notice here is that this one is super long. So we're going to create a set of statements, 1A and 1B, that kind of classifies this guy out and says, you know, if it has a long snout or long body, that is fish 1. And if it does not have a long body, then go to number 2. And so that's what we do here. Body is long and tube-like, fish number 1. Body is not long and tube-like, go to number 2. So we've actually classified this one out. So we have 4 fish left, okay? The next thing that I noticed that's striking is this guy's dorsal fin here. So after this, I would say 2A, dorsal fin is hooked or curved. That's fish 3. So now these 2 fish are classified out and we're left with 3. And then so the 3, dorsal fin is not hooked or curved, we go to number 3. Now there's a lot of other characteristics that you can choose here. For example, this guy has 2 dorsal fin on the fins on the top here. This guy has a spot. This guy is kind of as wide as he is long, along with this guy. So there's other characteristics that you can use. I know this guy has a kind of a forked caudal fin here, along with this one, this forked caudal fin, versus these guys, they don't have a forked caudal fin. So there's a lot of different characteristics that you could do, meaning you could have created a lot of different characteristics and way to classify this out. Here is one example, and you see there's 4 steps because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 animals. So you'll have one less step than you have animals. Okay, and this is just one way. After the hooks, we said spot, that's fish 5. No spot, we said go to 4. 2 dorsal fins or 1 dorsal fin, fish 3 here, which is actually, I'm sorry, there is a mistake here. This should be fish 2, not fish 3. And then 1 dorsal fin, fish 4. Okay, so I'll make that change on those 2 slides, but that's how you create your own dichotomous key. And if on slide 18 it doesn't look exactly like that, that's fine as long as you have 5 fish classified out and it's easy to tell the physical characteristics. Any questions? Go ahead and email.